Hey Divas, Caden here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Yay! Thank you for joining. Don't forget to go ahead, please hit that subscribe button. So today guys, I'm gonna come to you with a kids clothing haul in which I went shopping for both my daughters, and I went to Tjmaxx and Burlington. So if you want to see what I got, continue to watch. And I know because they grow so fast. I have an infant and a toddler. One is one and the next is 5, and they grow so fast. So they grow out of their clothes like super quick. Sometimes they don't even get to wear their clothes, or sometimes just once or twice, and then they're out of it. So why not shop at Tjmaxx, Burlington, and all those stores where you can get stuff for a certain price, which is convenient, at least convenient to me. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I got. So I went to Tjmaxx. This is the bag that I got, and then I went to Burlington, and these are what I got. So I'm gonna go ahead and start first with Tjmaxx. So because I have 2 daughters, they're like almost 4 years apart. I love to still dress them like twins because that's what my older daughter likes. She always said, "Mommy, oh, I want a twin." So I said, "I can dress you like your sister." So I got this set. So it's a 3-piece set. So it comes with the shorts, and it comes with a blouse, a top, and also this headband. So it's a 3-piece set, and I got these from Tjmaxx. I picked up these for my infant, and it's a 2-piece. It's a 3-piece. So you have two of these, and then you have a headband. So you can wear the headband with both. They're super cute. I love to get the cute stuff because sometimes you can get some stuff that doesn't look like, they just look cheap even though they're cheap. But I always look for the ones that are cheap but look expensive. Yes, that's it. That's the trick. I got these for my toddler. This is a set. So it's a 2-piece set. So it's a little biker short and a little blouse. It's long, so it's like a dress with a biker shorts for it. Because you know what, you have to let them wear underclothes, like something other than their underwears on their dresses. Yes. And the thing is, I like to get the sets instead of getting like a top and then trying to find the bottom to match, or getting the bottom and trying to find a top to match. If I see a set, I'll just take it. Well, if I see a bottom that I like, I just take it, or a top that I like, I'll take it too. But mostly I take the sets. So this is a DKNY 3-piece set. So she gets a legging and 2 blouses to go with it, so she can wear whichever blouse with the leggings, or I can go ahead and I went ahead and get some more leggings. So this is 3 pieces. So what she can do, she can always wear one of this blouse with one of these. So either way, it's a win-win situation. And the next thing I got was a lot of socks because my toddler, she's in school and she wears casual clothes. She doesn't wear a uniform, she wears clothes to school. So she has to get a lot of different socks. And she is very particular or specific with the type of socks she wears. She likes the color, her favorite color is pink, so everything she wears has to have like pink in it, or it has to be pink. You'll have to force her to wear something that doesn't have pink, or to get something that doesn't have pink. I'm gonna move on to what I got from Tjmaxx. So I got this dress. It's from Guess, and it is a 2-piece. This comes with 2 dresses. She already wore one. I think, no, one is somewhere, I can't find it. I don't think she has worn it yet, but this is from Guess. she also got this. This is DKNY again, and again this is a 3-piece set also. Comes with a long sleeve top. I think it's orange with purple DKNY across the chest. Yeah, so this. I got her this nice 2-piece set, and it's a Puma. I got this Jordan set for her too. And these are for my toddler. Now these are what I got for my... No, I also got these. Yeah, this is from Burlington. Did I say Tjmaxx? These are from Burlington. Those were from Tjmaxx, the first set. The first bag was from Tjmaxx. So all these are from Burlington. I don't remember if I said Burlington or Tjmaxx. So I got my infant this, my baby girl. She got this 3-piece set. So it is a dress, the white thing to cover the diaper, and this is like a, what do you call these again? A romper. So this is from Tommy. Super, super cute. I went ahead and got her this Tommy set again. It's a 2-piece, so it's a blouse and a top. And she also got this little blouse, super cute. I couldn't resist it. And this one is from Old Navy. While I was shopping, I was like, oh, she needed some new you know, those, what do you call them, those hooded towels. Yes, the hooded towels. So I went ahead and I got her this 3-piece set, and you know, she needed it, I needed it, because she, I don't know, I think she only has a few, but she needed some more. So I went ahead and I picked this up, and I like it. So this is it, guys. This is all that I got in this little haul. This haul is for both my daughters. As I said before, one is a toddler, one is an infant. So guys, don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you want to see more of these videos, just let me know. I'll be happy. Or if you want to just see a video when I go in store and look at stuff, you can definitely let me know. I can do that. And as I said before, I like to take the stuff that looks like quality and not quantity, because you know, because these are discounted stores. I don't know why sometimes the stuff looks super cheap or knockoff, if you want to call it that. So I always try and get the ones that look like, you know, you feel the material, you can feel how durable it feels, or by looking at it you can see like, oh, that looks, or that looks. So this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell another friend, share, and all that good jazz. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.